Hello, writers. Today you will need a pencil and your writing journal. You might also want to get your crayons ready. We're going to draw a picture and we're going to add some picture labels. Remember, labels are just words that tell about part of our picture. You're going to open your journal and you're going to start at the beginning and you're going to turn each page one by one until you get to the next clean page. So I remember I did this one yesterday. And now here's my next clean page. We read a poem today, a poem about pumpkins. And the poem told many things about pumpkins. Poems kind of make me feel a certain way when I read poems. And I know that I really love to eat pumpkins, but I also love to decorate pumpkins. So, in my mind, I was thinking about fun things that I like to do with a pumpkin, and I'm going to draw a pumpkin right here. But I'm also going to draw a face on my pumpkin. The pumpkin poem made me think of how I like to carve faces on pumpkins in the fall. It's really lots of fun. And I like to do this with my family. We usually get together and we'll cut open a pumpkin and we'll put a face on it. If I'm going to tell someone about my pumpkin, I can write a little story. But there might be things about my pumpkin picture that I want someone to know about. I want to label or put words beside parts of the picture so someone else can understand my picture better. This part that I drew right here, someone might not know what that is. I'm going to put a picture label right beside this part in my picture to tell someone that this is a table. Table. So I'm going to say the word really slowly and I'm going to stretch out the sounds. That's where the Letterland characters can help me. Table. If I say that word, I hear the sounds t, a, b, o. I hear t, 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 t. Talking Tess. A. I just hear the letter A, so I can write the letter A. B, 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 b. I hear Bouncy Ben. And O. Lucy Lamplight. There's the word table, and I'm going to draw a line from my word to my picture that shows someone this is a table. I also want to tell someone that my pumpkin has a face. So I think I'm going to write the word face right here and point to the pumpkin's face. I hear sounds that sound like Letterland characters. Sounds like Firefighter Fred. A, it's just the letter A. And S, that sounds like Sammy Snake, doesn't it? When we write, we can use the letters for the sounds that our ears hear. Later, we might find a different spelling of a word that helps us remember the word better. But when we're trying to stretch words out ourselves, we listen for the sounds we know and the letters that match those sounds. So this is the face of my pumpkin. If you would like to draw a picture today, I want you to think of a picture that you could draw that you were thinking about when you listened to the poem about pumpkins.